Welcome to the Strategic Frontier, where we break down technology, power, and geopolitics, and explain why they matter. Data centers are the backbone of the modern internet. They house the servers that store our photos and run our apps. In 2025, the electricity use for these centers grew by 17%. This surge brought data center power use to nearly 2% of all global electricity. While this is a large amount, it is only one part of a bigger shift. The real change comes from a new type of workload. Artificial intelligence, or AI, requires massive amounts of power to train and run. In 2025 alone, the electricity use for AI data centers grew by 50%. The current power grid was not built for this level of demand. In the United States, data center electricity needs are expected to jump from 23 gigawatts in 2023 to 42 gigawatts by 2026. This creates a physical bottleneck. A bottleneck is a point where a system slows down because it cannot handle the flow. The grid simply cannot move enough electricity to every new server fast enough. Experts project that by 2027, AI servers will use more power than all conventional data centers combined. This means the way we build and move electricity must change. If the grid fails to keep up, it could lead to service delays or higher costs for everyone. Because power is becoming scarce, a scramble has begun. Big tech companies and energy giants are forming new alliances to secure high-density electricity. For example, oil and gas companies are partnering with tech firms to build dedicated power sources. This creates a competitive moat. A moat is a barrier that protects a business from rivals. Companies that can secure enough power will have a monopoly on AI development. Those without power will face a compute deficit. This is a shortage of the processing power needed for advanced tech. And this gap could leave smaller companies and nations behind in the race for AI dominance. This energy demand has real-world costs. The surge in demand for memory and storage to build AI centers has already pushed up prices for consumer electronics. Some laptop and tablet prices have risen by as much as 25%. Additionally, as data centers take a larger share of new electricity, local power prices may climb. On a larger scale, energy security is now a requirement for military tech. Nations need reliable power to run autonomous systems and strategic planning tools. If a country cannot secure high-density power, it cannot build the next generation of defense tools. This makes electricity a primary tool of national power. Governments and companies are looking for ways to bridge the gap. Some see this demand as a chance to build out clean energy faster. They want to use the need for data center power to fund new wind and solar projects. Others focus on demand flexibility. This means changing when and how much power is used to avoid stressing the grid. Engineers also work on optimization. These are techniques to make data centers run more efficiently with less waste. The goal is to balance the need for rapid AI growth with the need for a stable and affordable power grid. The winners of this era will be those who can master both the code and the current. Subscribe for more insight from the Strategic Frontier. Until next time, stay informed and think strategically.